This that is an electrical wire that's on it. That's the light. And it goes to the other light.
45 degrees. Our power went out at midnight on Monday night, and we made it till about 5 p.m. yesterday. And my wife's just, I'm too cold, we've got to go.
Did you take a picture yet?
I don't know. We're looking for a generator. No stores have any. They've ordered and they're not going to be in until tomorrow. So any stores that have are out.
Cold and unbearable. No lights. It's hard to do anything because I'm not used to being in the dark. I kept wondering how in the world did people do it back in the days that they didn't have electricity. I was like, I was stressed out a lot.